Hey friends, if you encounter the error 0x80D02017 on Microsoft Store, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to reset the Microsoft Store. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command WS reset and hit enter, and this will reset the Microsoft Store. The next solution is to disable the IPv6 support. So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Right click on the active network connection and then select properties. And then you'll find this option called Internet Protocol version 4. Uncheck it. I always keep it unchecked on my system. Click on OK to save the settings and close it. The next solution is to disable the VPN client or proxy server. And how would you do it? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Find the proxy server in the right pane. Make sure that it's selected at automatically detect settings and manual proxy setup is off. And lastly, if you have any third party security software like McAfee etc., then remove it. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. Select installed apps. And then if you find any security software here, now I don't keep security software products, but if you find any of them, then right click and uninstall them. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.